We need 3 more baskets for this pallet. Got it. Coming through.
Deep drilling through desert layers will access underground aquifers.
All right, everyone, let's start with the solar panels on the first truck.
Copy that, Supervisor.
We need to head towards that ridge line, set up the total station here.
Setting the base now.
Lock the legs down tight, the sand is loose here.
All right, it's steady now. Do you want the reflector at eye height?
Yes, and keep an eye on that tablet for drift.
Bring it down slowly, watch the chains. Almost there, easy now. Bring it down easy, watch the clearance.
A little more to the right, slowly.
Okay, hold it there, settle it down.
Get those HESCO barriers up, move, move!
We need water purification online now.
This is it. Check your gear one last time. We rendezvous at the coordinates by sundown.
Before drilling begins, precise temperature measurements ensure optimal conditions for water extraction.
Deep drilling through desert layers will access underground aquifers.
Check the pressure on line 3 and watch the dust.
We hit it! Shut down the pumps.
Fresh water extracted from 200 meters below the DSRT surface.
Flow rate confirmed. Everything looks good on the gauge. We should be able to maintain this volume.
Easy, bring it down slowly. Watch the side there.
All right, I got it. Moving it now.
Bring it down easy now, watch the connection point. All right, we are clear. Start tightening sequence 3. Pressure is holding steady at 50 psi.
Confirmed, no leaks on this flange.
Final bolt is secure. Few inches left. Now hammer it down.
Okay, it's secure.
I'm running the line.
It's reading shallow by about 2 inches right here.
Okay, adjust the depth and then let's verify the next one.
The nursery, built on DESRT sand, provides initial protection for young turnip seedlings.
These seedlings in section 4 look the healthiest so far.
Agreed, the leaves show no signs of stress.
Noted. We'll schedule these for transfer tomorrow.
Here are the tomatoes for this row.
Okay, we'll start here. Keep them coming. We are almost at the end of this line.
Yes, the next section looks ready. Keep going.
That's the last of it.
Excellent work out here, everyone.
We finished ahead of schedule.
Look at the discoloration here. It's consistent with the southwestern edge samples.
Nutrient uptake seems localized.
Note the exact coordinates for the deficiency mapping.
Look at these spots. It's spreading faster than we anticipated.
And this discoloration here.
The models confirm it. It's fusarium wilt.
We need to isolate this section immediately.
Check the underside of this leaf, near the sensor array.
Already logging the data now. The readings are consistent with the last pass.
Look at the root development here.
Yeah.
I'm logging the data on the tablet now.
We need to adjust the water flow further down the line. The tanks are capped and ready. Controller active. We are good to launch.
Keep her steady, we're almost through the sector.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is optimal.
After treatment, the turnip plants have fully recovered, showing vibrant green leaves.
The chlorophyll levels are significantly higher here than the last quadrant.
Yes, the scanner confirms the reading. This strain.
Look how vibrant these are compared to the samples from last year.
The treatment worked better than we anticipated. The yield looks incredible. Look at the root structure on this one.
The data confirms a 90% survival rate here.
Incredible. The restoration efforts are working.
Ya llegamos. Finally.
All right, let's start here. Bring the tools.
Bring the baskets over here, quickly now.
We need more crates for the next batch.
Stack them high, but watch the wind. We need 3 more baskets for this pallet.
Got it. Coming through.
Finally finished. That took longer than expected.
Yeah, but look at that pile. Best harvest yet.
Keep them moving. We have a lot more to sort.
Almost done with this crate. Where's the next stack?
This one here is too small for the large pile.
All right, I'll move it over with the others.
Watch the stack. Make sure they are secure before the next gust hits.
This is the last one. Where do you want it?
Right on top there, by the ropes. Make it secure.
From desert harvest to factory processing, the journey continues.
clear on the left.
That's the last pallet for truck 3.
From the extreme desert conditions to markets worldwide, desert-grown turnips complete their remarkable journey.